How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have the first installation on the RAV4, besides the lights obviously, but this is really simple. In this episode I'm going to show you how to do the installation on the hood lift support. We have the product right here, which is really simple. The only thing is that on this lift support it doesn't show instructions whatsoever. So based on the pictures, the one on the middle is gonna go on top, this hole in the middle. So that means that you're not gonna mess with the alignment. You only have to lose one of the bolts from the latch on the hood, and the other one on the bottom is going on the bottom one. So I'm gonna put one on and let's see if this installation goes well, because like I said, there is no instructions whatsoever. You have the two bolts in here from the hood, so this one is gonna go right on the top one, on the middle hole right there. The other one is gonna go there inside. Probably it's too dark, but right there inside there is the other bolt for this bottom part. So I'm gonna remove those two bolts, hook everything up, and let's see how it goes. Those are 12 millimeters, by the way. So that's the good thing, that you don't have to mess with the alignment on the hood. For the dampers, the plastic part is gonna go on top. It has these little clips. Hopefully you can see them. That little clip, you have to remove it to put it in. Now you gotta repeat the process on the bottom one. And the easiest way probably just to remove it first. So you can put it on the bottom one and then tighten them up. Then you have to remove the clip. Be careful, because if you lose that clip, really hard to see it. You just undo the clip, pull it down. Just put this one first on the bottom and then we tighten them up. So on this side, on the driver's side, the little bolt is gonna have to face forwards, because if you put the other one, it's gonna face backwards, it's not gonna fit. Once you put this part in it, just put the clip and then you lock it in place. Now this part is in here, we can go back to the car and put everything on the bottom. If you can see down there, guys, I put that one first, then I put the one on top, and this is how it looks. And it's already holding the hood only one side. So it's really easy to do, but like I said, I put the one on the bottom first, then I put the one on top, and from the back I put the clip. If you have a flashlight, it's really easy to see the hole where you put the little clip to secure everything in place. So I just gotta go to the other side and do the other one, which is really easy, but like I said, there is no instructions. That's why I make this episode. If you see, we have the whole strut. This one, it has to face forward in order for you to clear the bracket on the bottom. So you just put it like that, put your bolt through, tighten them up, and then you move to the top. Okay guys, so everything is complete. If you can see, everything looks straight for the most part. That one on the bottom is in place. Driver's side, everything is in place. So now everything is in place and this installation is finished. Now let's close the hood and see if the alignment is good. Oh yeah, see that? Oh yeah. Now when we open it, ooh, it was really quick. So this is something that probably most of the people, they're not gonna care. This is something really simple. How many times I'm gonna open the hood on this truck? Probably not that many. But now we don't need to use that stick. We have hood lift support. So let me close it all the way and let's see. And it closed really smooth. Lines look perfect. Obviously, because we just lose one of the bolts, I think we didn't mess with the alignment. Yeah, everything looks good. So there you have it, guys. That's how you install this lift support on your hood, 2019 and 2020 RAV4s. But on the description of the product says that it's for all models. So pretty much if you have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 RAV4, pretty much is the same thing. And one thing is for sure, every time that I opened my hood before, I had to go right here and kind of like pull on the hood because it was really stuck. It doesn't lift anything. So I had to grab here and pull it so I can put my hand and release the lever. But check this out now. There you have it. Now if we want to work on this side of the engine bay, we don't have anything on our way. And when you use the lift support, pretty much it lifts the hood the same way like when you have the stick. It's really high up, so we're not gonna have any clearance issues. I hope you like this episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.